toaster exploding in him.
Oh no! I've made a microwave bomb!
Got lost.
Wait,
pretty
look.
fast. It looks like a square.
After
orange.
12 years of being in the void, I finally found a square orange!
What? What? Whoever did this, why? Whoever did this, why?
Hello guys, today I'm gonna be putting a spoon in the microwave.
Why have you drank Megamine's butt or something?
I just punched him.
Tasty.
I went to Megamine's house and he got a paper cut, that's all I know.
Oh, I stabbed Megamine.
You just run up to someone, paper cut them, and leave. It's slightly squiggly.
Slightly squiggly.
You look at the original microwave and then that one.
Oh, my spoon's a bit squiggly. I only put it in the microwave.
And then Plum revives.
Just I'm pulling out a Megamind with a scythe. Oh no. With a scythe, that's a sword.
No, his head has to be
like,
mess it up, Plum. I don't care that this sucks. It looks like I have.
I'm sorry.
Bro, I got Plum is cool. Please let me out of the basement. I've been here for days. Plum is cool. Please let me out of it.
I accidentally swapped the rules.
No lol.
Bro, that's a Vash Blade in the basement. There's no me in the
roll.
You're Minecraft.
Minecraft too eaten by Mojana. Going nowhere.
Minecraft 2 eaten by Mojana.
Mojana.
Minecraft 2 question mark.
Minecraft, I am Steve.
Uh oh, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry.
I am Steve.
I just made Finfur.
Okay, Zest.
What?
What the heck?
Bro?
Where the fuck does that come from?
What
Man,
what
that's
the
dope.
what? Okay, that's it. You're going into fun time.
Anything about to do with Minecraft.
Bro, you see Finfurb with E going, I am Steve. Robo getting zesty. That makes sense.
You can tell which one are 3.
Okay, I might have. Okay, I might. Whatever.
See, this is Robo normally, so it's okay. I love this.
What do you mean aura?
Like that.
What do you mean aura?
Why do you sound freaky while laughing, Nathan?
Bro, who said aura?
I think it was Robo.
No.
Bro. Me?
I don't believe it.
Plum tell Robo to stop aura farming.
Oh god.
Stop aura farming. Plum telling Robo to stop aura farming.
See
Plum,
me?
Plum the strawberry a dagara oh meme.
I was able to drop Plum in the background. Tell
Look.
What?
Look in the VC chat.
I did the head, isn't it amazing?
I did the hoodie. It was a waste of lines.
Okay. You have to draw the head, okay?
Alright,
how big does the head get?
It has to be somewhere, and it has to cross the line. Like, do you see the line at the bottom? It has to cross that.
Okay.
Why
Okay,
does
so
that
it has to cross that line.
Freaking weird. I can do that. Okay. Okay, I have a bad feeling about this. So like everybody just I'm wondering how bad this is about to be. I have a bad feeling about this. All of a sudden. Okay. I'm ready.
No one's gonna submit, are they?
I'm waiting.
I'm just
Oh,
gonna
no.
draw a poster.
This guy might be an ever so slight Big Mac. No. Feel bad. Feel bad. Yeah.
I'm not.
Alright.
Okay.
Who's
What's
first?
look like a
Alright.
dinosaur?
I hate my life.
Then I got the big.
Accurate.
That's
I was
awesome.
accurate.
What the fuck is that?
Accurate. I hate my life.
Didn't even do that one.
Alright, here comes Plum. What?
What?
What the heck?
What just fucking
What
happened?
have you done?
What is that?
I just thought it was like
You're just missing the
I thought it was like a
torso.
cartoony stick figure guy.
When you're done with that, I'm gonna get on my computer because it's not working.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Premium plum drawing.
Okay.
At 12.
God damn it.
Oh god.
Well, at least a third of it was cool.
Yeah.
The thirds of it were good.
Alright, here comes mine.
Oh no.
Blue man. Blue.
You're welcome.
He just looks so like comedically short. He has like an obnoxiously long neck and then like little stub legs.
His legs are clipping through the fourth dimension.
What?
What's up,
Hey,
Doc?
don't start the game yet. Don't
Oh,
start
no.
the game.
Goodbye, Doc.
Don't start the game yet.
Dude, at first it looks like Bugs Bunny. I was like, "What's up, Doc?" And then I see the
Yeah.
middle there. I'm like, "Goodbye, Doc."
What?
Alright, I think they got that one.
No, I did not do it.
What the heck did I just get? Okay, I'm.
Why was it so bad?
Did someone send me the Twin Towers?
No.
Much time, bro.
Yo, who left? No, Robo.
Bro, I've been here.
Oh, wait, I thought you left. Is that
No,
just-
someone else left.
I'm so
Okay.
sorry.
Mine's so dumb.
Go where? Oh, bad. Whoever give me this, thank you.
Oh god. Yo, whoever made this is actually trying to really hard, but like, see, it's me. So like, you're getting a special version of it.
What shot am I missing?
Yeah, whoever gave this to me is way
What
too
motherf-
expectant. Oh. A little bit.
Just don't try in this game mode because Nathan might get it. Bro, I got a plum and I turned it into something else entirely.
Why is the back door open?
my interpretation of plum lore.
Yo, it's literally a plum.
I know there's at least 2 plums in circulation.
Oh god.
Mildly concerning.
I'm done. No.
What the fuck is this?
What did you get?
That's
So what
so
just
My
happened?
beautiful drawing. What have you done to it?
So it just become, and now the orange has can go up, and
Premium
I thought it
drawing.
was pretty obvious what I'm trying to do here. What the fuck?
what the heck?
Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's actually good. Wait, that's actually good.
What did plum do? Oh! I didn't get the right shade of purple. Uh-oh.
I made like another interpretation of that. That's a lot better.
Nathan, this is the one that I was in fact
Happy-
very disappointed in.
ending.
Happy ending. Nah.
I was supposed to change it to that is actually true. You should have just made the world explode.
Happy ending, and then it's not the unhappy ending.
Do you see what I drew from it? I'm like, no. I just said no. I'm not doing that.
Nah, I ain't doing that. That's for losers.
Alright, go.
Happy ending as the plane approaches the tower.
Oh no.
Oh wait, oh yeah. Wait, this one I actually made really good. I just put all of my.
It turns
effort
out
into
to a
this.
purple.
Oh my
now
God,
it turns out to that.